Our goal is to duplicate a school-like environment. We have created a space of hybrid learning that is effective, safe, and beneficial for all of our students. We have a physically active schedule plan to combat sitting in front of a screen all day while interacting with friends and teachers. Interaction is important to develop their interpersonal skills, emotional development, and build creativity through imagination and games. We begin at 8:15 a.m. to allow a smooth transition for our students who must be signed in for their virtual classes by 8:30. In the meantime, we have centers set up for our kids in the other room to do arts and crafts, science experiments, play theater games, and of course, dancing. We still aim to go outside twice a day for fresh air and a fresh break from being indoors. With rising health concerns relating to on-screen time, our goal is to spend as much active time outdoors as possible. To encourage movement away from the screen, we have come up with an activity chart every child must do on their breaks, full of cardio, strengthening, and stretching exercises. When goals are completed, they get a prize. Working with different school schedules and platforms is challenging but doable. Our team of educators has designed a color-coded schedule to make sure someone is keeping track and assisting with every child's virtual session. If the student's name is under the picture, they are not done with their virtual session. Their cards move up as their day frees up. We assist every child with their homework as needed. Small group is designed as an additional supplement to their learning away from the screen. It's based on age and focused on their learning goals in math, English, and Spanish.
One more time, very loud.
By providing a full day's schedule, we allow families to return to their normal balance of school, work, and homework.